Hello and welcome to another episode of Theme Park World Tour. Today we are at Night City in the game Cyberpunk 2077. So there is a roller coaster in Night City that you can ride. You will find it at the pier in Pacifica, which I'll just show you on this map. So yeah, you'll find it right about there. And as I said, you can actually ride this roller coaster, but to do that you've got to repair it first. So the first thing to do is to scan the roller coaster, and I think you'll find out there's a fault with it. And then if you go over here, you're looking at this little fuse box. And again, I think you need to scan the fuse box. Is it that one? No, it's this one with the danger thing on. That's it. So you scan it. There's a control panel, but the fuse is broken, so you're able to repair it. Bit of downtime for this roller coaster, but we're going to be back up and running in a minute. Okay, so that's the fuse change. Let me try and jump out of here. There we go, a double jump, and that should be it. And then you can come over here. And get on it. And the coolest thing is Johnny Silverhand is going to join us. So for the first time on Theme Park World Tour, Keanu Reeves is going to join us for a ride on the roller coaster. So that is how you ride the roller coaster. I think it's called the Mega Ride in Cyberpunk 2077. And I'll leave you with this POV.
Shit! Whoa! Whoa. Woo-hoo-hoo! Ho-ho! Fuck! Ah! You seeing this? Whoa! Fuck yeah! Holy fuck.
Indeed, Johnny, and back into the station. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please don't forget to subscribe.